my name's Marta. I did a 3-day introduction to photography course. We learned a lot more than I initially thought was even possible. And it opened my eyes to the world of photography in a way I didn't expect. It wasn't just limited to a certain box of photography. It delved into so many different aspects, like the social aspects, the programming aspects, the editing aspects, from what you do before you take a picture to the whole process in the camera to editing the photo. It covered such a wide range of topics. It was truly fascinating to learn. And it was an amazing experience.